Well, we're going to turn now to Blount County. That's where Ivory is tonight. Ivory, good evening to you. We appreciate your call. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I want to know if a person was in a car, but they were both in the company's car, and they had an accident, but the passenger didn't file workman's compensation, but they tried to go back and file charges against the driver. Can they do that?
That's a really good question.
Did you hear her okay?
I did.
Okay.
I think to the best of my knowledge, if you, I'm assuming the two people in the car are co-workers and y'all were on a work errand for your job. And if your co-worker injures you, in Alabama, your only avenue to recover for that is workers' comp. So I can't sue, my coworker for leaving water on the floor and making me fall. But be aware that you can sue anyone for anything. So even if that person filed a lawsuit against the driver, it might take the court a little while to dismiss it, but ultimately, 99 times out of 100, that claim's not going to be successful because workers' comp is the only way to handle that.
And Jessica, I think it's important to note that even if you're in a company vehicle, if someone else causes the accident, not your coworker, but another vehicle caused the accident, then you have a workers' comp case and a personal injury case, both.
Yeah,
And
that's a good point.
And in her case, even if you didn't file a workers' comp case, you still may have a case against the driver that caused the accident if they're not a coworker.
So
if
they're
it's
not
another automobile.
Okay, so they don't have to be tied to one another.
They do not.
Okay.
They do not.
Okay. Well, Ivory, a great question, and certainly hope that that answer answers your question, and certainly wish you the very best with that case going forward.